Hi, I'm Josh Ellsworth with Stahls, and the video you're watching is part of our 21 Looks Heat Press series. We encourage you to steal the look that we're about to create. Well, how can you do that? You can click the link in the description to be able to download the guide that shows all 21 looks. Over the course of January 2021, every weekday, I'll be printing a new look and showing you exactly how to execute so you can make this a part of your business to be successful. Today's category is all about fitness, and today's product is a pair of stretch leggings. They're 88% polyester, 12% spandex. They have compression, they have a lot of stretch, and so decorating these can be challenging. The product that we're going to use for the job is called CAD Cut Premium Plus. Let's head over to the heat press and show you the technical aspects of how to print this look. I'll need three particular accessories or tools for the job. Of course, the heat press, a cover sheet, and then a heat press pillow. I'll be using our sleeve and leg heat press pillow, which is 5 by 18 inches in size. One of the first things I like to do is set the pressure before I even load my pant, because this pant could have a likelihood to scorch if applied with too much pressure. I know I'll be using the pillow inside of my pant, so I'm going to insert that into the press and go ahead and lock the machine down, and I'm looking for medium pressure. That's way too much pressure. The machine won't even lock down. So I'm going to turn the knob counterclockwise to retract the top heater. I have added thickness in here, so that's why it's too much pressure. Now when I lock it down, I have a pressure of a 2. I really want that pressure on this smaller pad, because it's not the full 16 by 20 size, to be somewhere around a 3 or a 4. I have it on a 3, so I'm good to go there. Now the other thing I need to do as part of the recipe is set the time and the temperature. I'll hit the mode button. The temperature is 280 degrees. This is a low temp heat transfer vinyl, CAD Cut Premium Plus. And the time is 8 to 12 seconds. I'm going to go with the 8-second application. With those things set, I'll open my heat press and I'll bring my pair of compression capris over to the press to insert my pillow. Now I want to do a unique branding location. I'm going to do down the side of the capris. And so what I'll do is I'll grab the pillow. I like to grab it with my forearm, and I like to insert it into the capris just like this. That's kind of a guide to make inserting the pillow very easy. That's just a tip on how to hold it. All right. Now, I do have a kind of a crease from where the pant was folded in the box. I also have a side seam up on the waistband that marks the side print location for me. Now, I don't want this logo to be exactly down the side. I'm going to pull it front a little bit. That way it can be seen from the front location when somebody is walking or working out with these pants on. So I have everything loaded here. I'm going to grab my cover sheet and conduct a preheat. That preheat will help remove the moisture and wrinkles. I'm going to preheat for a full 8 seconds because I haven't worked with this fabric before, and I just want to make sure that it's warmed up and prepared for application, releasing any potential moisture and wrinkles. Now, I'll grab my Premium Plus design, and I'm going to peel the backing off. You can order Premium Plus to cut on your vinyl cutter by the roll, or you can order it pre-cut like this, where it comes on a backing that you just remove, and then it's ready to heat apply. So I have my Premium Plus design location. I'm going to position it in that location. Make sure it has good contact. Cover it with the cover sheet. And then lock the heat press down for the recommended application time, which is 8 seconds. Now you may have noticed as I was loading this, I was kind of supporting the pants from underneath so they didn't slide off. That's one of the challenges with decorating items like this, where they have some length to them and want to hang below the press. So don't be afraid to support those, but make sure your hand's underneath the press, obviously, when you lock it down. Now, Premium Plus is a hot peel on this high-tack version of the product. So I'm just going to peel the backing off after it's been pressed, and I have a nice completed result. Let's head over to the table and give it a stretch test and talk about the final look. The finished result is a super soft feel onto this fabric, and also a stretchable result. Not only does it stretch, but this product recovers, which means it's going to last long, wear after wear, workout after workout, with the same quality finish. It won't be warped after you stretch it, and it certainly won't crack. So not much to it, and that's the simplicity of heat printing. I can hit these unique brand locations on tough to do items very quickly, very easily. But we don't want to stop here. For this video, we have to, but look for the next 2 videos in this series that build upon this look for the fitness category so you can grow your average sale amount. Thanks for watching the first video in our series, 21 Looks.